Hello everyone, right now I am live at Oerlikon stalls, and when we hear that Oerlikon, one thing comes to our mind, that innovation, passion and excellence. They are serving their amazing innovative products over the 30 years. And today I have with me Mr. Pravin, the Managing Director of Oerlikon India.
So, as you know, we started way back in 1994 and we have just completed 30 years in this company. So, we started in Pune with one coding center, and now today we are across the country with 11 facilities. We are giving different surface solutions. One is the PVD on the cutting tools, forming tools, and also on automotive components. And then we have recently also started thermal spray solutions, which are thicker coating on also aerospace and other industries.
The industry is already known for that Alcrona Pro, but what's new at Oerlikon stalls, that the efficiency. They are claiming that after using their Alcrona Evo, the efficiency of the tool life is much more higher than the 40%. And right now I have with me Mr. Tajender, who will describe about that their product little bit.
Yeah. Alcrona Pro is our latest version of coating, which has launched recently, and it is a requirement of our customer that they needed that something has been, give unique results, and it is proven out that this is really very fine coating. It is giving better results in all the aspects. All the customer, at least hair cutting tools, we are getting 30 to 40% of our tool life. And not only this, its hardness is very, very high, and the compressive strength is very, very low. So it can withstand with low cutting parameter to higher cutting parameter. So this is suitable. One of the latest version of coating. It is giving much more result in all the aspects. Like before, it was for low cutting parameter, we were using tin coating, but this coating is applicable as far as tin and as far as higher cutting parameter.
And now is the time for that prime gear, and Oerlikon is one of the global leaders in the prime gear industry. So right now I have with me Mr. Kotteeswaran.
The prime gear is the process for the gear cutting tool, the customized service. So the customers looking for how to improve the performance. Here we provide the consulting service. That means we provide the consulting as well as the taking care of the hob, individual teeth, addressing that so that the tool wear will reduce, and then subsequently performance has improved. Almost 45% the performance can be increased in the prime gear. This is the next step from the Alcrona Evo, and this is giving the improvement in the performance of the gear cutting. So it is around 45% to 50% improvement in the cost wise, and also the number of regrinding reduce, and the overall the surface finish of the component it improves. So it is a overall effect for the improvement in terms of the gear cutting.
Oerlikon is also famous for their forming tools, and they have multiple forming tools in their bucket. But I just want to know from Manish sir that what's new into this segment.
We have very good products, mainly in plastic. I'll come to the plastic molds first. So in plastic molding, if you see, we have a major product that is Valnit Moldina. This is mainly for all our abrasive nature polymers like glass filled polymers above 50%. So this gives an excellent life for all the plastic molds. We can enhance the life multiple times. And then we have also in sheet metal and die casting, Formera and Formera Plus family. These are two new coatings which are excellent to enhance the die casting as well as sheet metal dies. For high strength, ultra high strength materials, we can take the life to multi-folds and excellent part quality, further enhancements.
Oerlikon is mainly covering the different industries starting from medical, aerospace, defense and many more. And their main product, that is surface coating. So right now I have with me Mr. Guruprasad, who will talk about that coating industry.
Actually, the coatings what you have seen up till now mainly were for tools. We also provide the coatings for components. and the coatings have extremely high hardness, having anti-friction properties, and the coatings can withstand high temperatures. We collaborate with the customers' design engineers to give extra reliability and also the product safety. So we have applications of the components in aerospace. Now you can imagine in aerospace, the major focus is on factor of safety, and the coatings gives an additional safety value to the entire tribo system. Then we apply the coatings for machine tools, machine tool components, and you can imagine a machine tool running for a longer period of time without any wear and tear. It will produce the consistent components, and the means it will maintain the close alignment on the machine tools. These coatings can also be applied on medical components. These coatings are FDA approved and also medically approved biocompatibility certified coating. So patient safety is also in focus. So these coatings can enhance the patient safety and giving an improved life on the tools and components used in medical equipments. We also have certain coatings for automotive components where coatings act as design element, enhance the startup torque efficiency, and major focus is on sustainability and enhancing the environmental friendly nature of the business at the coating. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
So, sir, as you are talking about the sustainability, so could you please explain that how Oerlikon is contributing
Yeah.
in this journey mainly?
Yeah. Absolutely. Now, as you know, these coatings being it means, in fact, our coatings having extremely low coefficient of friction, and these coatings friction are going to enhance the efficiency, reducing fuel consumption. The coatings enhance the multifold life of the components. So, in fact, these coatings are going to help customers to maintain their sustainability targets.
Right now, I have with me Mr. Manoj, who will talk about their participation at IMTEX.
We are finding very good response and enthusiastic customers visiting from all the branches of the industry, and
I hope that you guys got an enough explanation and knowledge about Oerlikons at IMTEX 2025. If you want to know more about their product in details, then please visit them at IMTEX 2025, hall number 3B and stall C102. See you there.